Hey guys, welcome to WatchClickBuy. Everyday carry, EDC. Gadgets blend practicality with innovation, making daily life easier and more efficient. From multi-tools to smart accessories, these gadgets are designed to fit seamlessly into your routine. Whether for work, travel, or emergencies, the coolest EDC gear combines durability, functionality, and style. Investing in the right EDC gadgets means staying prepared and ahead of the curve wherever you go. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So let's go find them out. 7. The WUBEN G5 Rechargeable EDC Flashlight is a compact yet powerful lighting tool built for everyday convenience. With a maximum output of 400 lumens and a range of 82 meters, it offers excellent visibility in a small size. Its dual light system includes both white and RGB lighting modes, perfect for various scenarios, from outdoor adventures to emergency signaling. The 180 degrees rotatable lamp head and magnetic clip provide unmatched flexibility and hands-free use. Fast USB-C charging and IP68 waterproofing make it ultra-reliable in harsh conditions. 6. The Nite Eyes S-Binary MicroLock stainless steel is a compact and highly practical tool for organizing keys and small items. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it combines durability with sleek design. Its standout feature is the twist-to-lock plastic center lever, which ensures your items stay securely fastened without accidental openings. Whether you're heading out for a run, handing off a key, or organizing gear, it offers reliable, easy access. The dual-gate design allows for quick attachment and removal. 5. The Rolling Square inCharge XL is a versatile and powerful charging cable designed for ultimate convenience. With universal compatibility, it supports USB-A and USB-C connections, including Lightning and micro USB, covering all your device needs. It delivers ultra-fast charging up to 100W and Apple fast charging up to 27W, plus seamless data transfer for photos, videos, and documents. The flexible TPU-tied cap protects connectors for lifelong durability, especially during travel. Its perfect length of 30 centimeters, 1 foot, strikes a balance between portability and ease of use. The included silicone pouch helps keep everything organized and clutter-free. For the MecArmy EH4 Titanium Multitool Pocket Screwdriver is a compact powerhouse designed for everyday convenience. Crafted from durable TC4 titanium alloy, it combines a screwdriver, keychain, quick-release system, and double ruler in one sleek tool. It includes 6 essential bits, H1.5, H2, T8, T6, PH0, and SL3.5, stored internally for easy access and quick swapping. Precision CNC machining and hand-polished details showcase its premium craftsmanship. Weighing just 41g, it's lightweight yet tough enough for everyday tasks and outdoor use. Its ergonomic, skin-friendly design ensures comfort and safety. A perfect blend of portability, functionality, and style. 3. The Gerber Prybrid utility tool is a durable and versatile 8-in-1 multi-tool designed to handle everyday tasks and outdoor challenges with ease. It features a full-size replaceable blade, a pry bar, a wire-cutting notch, a wire stripper, flathead screwdrivers, a bottle opener, and a bolt puller, combining multiple functions into a compact body. Its slim, dual-ended design ensures it fits easily in your pocket, toolbox, or belt clip. It is constructed of durable stainless steel with sturdy G10 gauges for strength and comfort. A locking mechanism ensures secure carrying. It is ideal for tradespeople, campers, and everyday carry alike. 2. The LEATHERMAN Bond Multi-Tool embodies the original survival tool, combining classic design with modern performance. Weighing just 5.8 ounces, it houses 14 essential tools, including pliers, a 420HC utility knife, and standard screwdrivers, making it ideal for everyday use and outdoor adventures. Its contoured handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, while the vibrant Cerakote finish adds a touch of style and durability. Available in robust nature-inspired colors like burnt brown and moss slate, each Bond tool comes with a matching nylon sheath. Built to withstand the elements of the wild, this reliable multi-tool is ready for any task, anywhere. 1. The MecArmy RL4 EDC Pry Bar Multitool is a rugged yet refined companion for everyday carry and demanding tasks. Crafted from high-quality TC4 titanium, it offers outstanding durability, corrosion resistance, and a lightweight build at just 61g. This compact multi-tool combines a pry bar, screwdriver set, nail puller, and window breaker, all in one sleek design. Chamfered edges enhance safety during use, while a hidden compartment securely stores 6 interchangeable bits for on-the-go versatility. Its keychain hole and pocket clip ensure effortless portability. Packaged in an elegant gift box, the RL4 is a perfect fusion of function, form, and everyday readiness.